there, friends of chemistry. I'm here with Martin.
Yo.
We're doing Module 4 from Apologia Chemistry, 2nd edition, on your own 4.8. Read it, please.
Hydrogen and oxygen can react together violently to make water. Write a balanced chemical equation for this reaction.
Okay. So what's the most important thing to remember about hydrogen and oxygen? If you look, I dog-eared the page. What page is it?
Oh, that's why it was dog-eared.
Yeah, page
115.
115 at the bottom. Read the bold there, please.
Nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine, astatine, and hydrogen.
Nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine, fluorine,
bromine, iodine, astatine, and hydrogen are all elements that are made up of homonuclear diatomic molecules rather than individual atoms.
So it's in bold because you need to memorize it. You need to remember it. So these molecules, these elements will always be in this dimolecular form. Okay, so as elements, you don't ever find them just as H. So that's the first important thing to know. Okay, so both hydrogen and oxygen are in this list.
Yeah.
Okay, so our ingredients in our chemical equation are going to be H2 and O2. And what do they yield? Water, which is
H2O.
H2O. Okay, so as you can see, we have 2 hydrogen here.
Yeah.
We have 2 oxygen here.
Yep.
And we have 2 hydrogen here. That's good. Uh-oh, we only have 1 oxygen. So that's a problem. We have to balance this. This is not a balanced equation.
Okay.
Any ideas? Any thoughts how we can do it?
We just need to change the amount of
What if we make this
so that it comes up with an even amount of water, right?
What if we make this 2? Now we'll have 2 of these and 4 of these. That works for oxygen. How can we make hydrogen the same?
Well, then we need 2. We need to get 2 of them. 4.
That's right. Now if we have 2 of these, we have 4, and they match. Bing, 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 bing.
Right.
So 2 hydrogen plus
1
oxygen yields 2 H2O, and that's a balanced equation.
Okay.
Okay, so write this down, please.
It's not very much, but yeah, okay.
Yeah, well, one molecule of water is not really a whole lot.
2 molecules is
2 molecules is water.
Twice that.
Yeah, twice as much. Okay, 4.9.
Solid calcium carbonate.
Okay, wait a minute. Calcium.
CO3. Yeah. Of course, nerd. Is made when solid calcium reacts with gaseous oxygen and solid carbon. What is the balanced chemical equation for this reaction?
Okay. A little more space here. Okay, so I have both, only oxygen here is a diatomic homonuclear. So I have some amount of calcium plus some amount of oxygen plus some amount of carbon will yield this thing. All right, so calcium and carbon are balanced, but not oxygen. So we have to do some fancy dancing here. What are we going to do? Guesses?
If we multiply it by 3.
Right, so we've got 2 and 3. So if we say this is 3,
and that's
this will be
6.
2.
Yeah, 2.
Right? Okay, how will that do for our calcium? We could just make this 2 calcium, right?
Yes.
And we can do the same. We only need 2 carbon.
Right.
So that's easy. 2 calcium
3 oxygen
plus 3 oxygen
plus 2 carbon
gives
calcium, sodium, or whatever.
calcium carbonate.
That's
yields
the one.
2, we say yields here, right?
Calcium.
2 calcium carbonate.
Yeah.
Okay, any questions about that?
No, can I go out until the yields? The yields.
Uh-huh.
Yields. No, we're still on.
Question, do you check these here?
Of course I do.
Mm-hmm. Do you check them when you do
The
them, or?
following equation.
Okay, hold on. Let me read. All right.
Okay, following equation. C5H12, and there's a 1. I'm not sure what the 1 means.
No, that's an L. It's
That's an
liquid.
L? Oh, okay, in liquid.
C5H12 liquid plus
oxygen 2.
O2.
O2, I think that stands for grams.
Gas.
Gas, oh, right.
Come on, didn't you read the module?
Yeah.
Well,
but
it explains.
They didn't tell me that what
yes,
these stand for. Well, I don't remember that. Whatever, come on, the rest of it.
Keep going.
The rest of it. Yields carbon dioxide in gaseous form plus gaseous water.
Yields CO2 gas plus H2O.
Gas.
Gas.
Yes.
Still visible. Good. Okay. So, how are we going to balance this? How many carbon do we have on this side?
We got 1.
5. How many hydrogen do we have over here?
12.
12. How many oxygen do we have? 2. Over on this side, how many oxygen do we have altogether?
3.
Okay, here we have 2, and here we have 1.
Mm-hmm.
How many carbon? We have 1 and 2
hydrogen.
Okay, so here we have 12. All right?
Mm-hmm.
So what if we make this 6?
Okay.
Then we'll have 12 of those and 6 of those.
Okay.
Okay. Make this clear.
In which case, that's going to need to be 3, right?
Okay, but over here altogether we have 8.
Yes.
And we need 5 on this side of these C. Let's look at the C. What if we make this 5?
Okay.
Now what do we have? Now we have 10.
We have 10, yeah.
And we have 5, right?
Right.
Okay, so now we have 16 oxygen. How can we do that over here? Quickly and easily.
8 oxygen.
That's right. Now we have 16. Okay? So C5H12 liquid plus 8 O2 gas yields 5 CO2 gas plus 6 H2O gas.
That looks right. Yeah.
I'm so pleased. That certainly balances.
Goodbye, friends of chemistry.
So long, friends of chemistry. Contact us with any chemistry questions.